Hi there, I'm Jeff from SHAY, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble the supplies caddy and then also show you what you need to do to the SHAY boards themselves to make them work a little better. The supplies caddy itself is just assembled like this. Like that. It'll end up hanging here, but the handle itself needs to have a little bit more space so it hooks around there more easily. So you should have also gotten this, and it's a set of stickers, and let me show you how that goes. You start by taking off the handles as they are right now, and then take off each one of these stickers and apply it along the inside like that on each side. And then take off the liner. And then go to the board and just put them back on. Now the caddy should easily just drop into place, and it's ready to hold all the stuff. There you go.